Okay guys, hey, it's the Ball. I just made another video. This is my another video. So I was just like, I was at school and then I got out of class and I was like, why is it raining? I was like, it was raining. It was like, look, just look. And as you can see, we live in the desert, so I'm just like, what? All confused. And it rarely even rains, like insane chance. But sorry about the wind. Maybe it's probably gonna be like a fact. But so my dad owns a tractor business, and like I'm pretty proud of myself because I did a good job scraping the weeds he taught me. Look it, see, right here, all that, and this right here, and this. These still look like that. All that right there. Now, that's why I did it. Well, just helping out. But I'm probably gonna go over to my friend's house, so see you then. But no, actually, I'll keep this video going. So what else? Oh yeah, the thing I was gonna do today, it started raining, so I couldn't do it. But I was playing basketball, right? And then my phone, like the ball, so if this was the ball and the phone was like say if this was the ball and my phone's like right in front of it, like right here, I was bouncing the ball and then it hit up and like knocked up the phone, and then the phone fell. And then it cracked my screen. So I got mad about that. But it's not like, it's like the bottom left corner. Just like a incy crack. But it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's like my cousin's phone. The crawler 101's like, oh my gosh, that's way bad. I was like, hey, yeah, but it's I just made to throw the video together daily. Oh, look at that bird right there. It's like an angry bird. Hold up. Oh, it's a hummingbird. My football. Oh, there it goes, there it goes. There it goes, there it goes. Oh, look at it. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Okay, so I just found a super cool hummingbird. Oh, look at it. Let's creep up on it. Yeah, so this video is like a little bit longer than yesterday's, but like just doing a little video together again. So peace out, be a baller.